I'm sure you've seen logos installed outside buildings, or more particularly, names of bungalows installed on the wall next to their terrace. And in case you're wondering, these logo plates or names are laser cut right here in Orchid Digitals. And moreover, we have devised a very simple way to install them outside your building. For example, we have taken the word Pasayadan, laser cut it from acrylic, and cut an additional layer from WDVC sheet with LEDs installed on the back side. And once our structure is ready, next we come to the installation of the same. Step 1, we give you the stencil in the form of a roll that will help you position our letters and our logo. What you have to do is, you got to first place this stencil perfectly on the wall where you need to install the logo. Next, I'm going to ask Manoj to come and help me fit this out here. We take our letter, position it perfectly on the stencil and start drilling our letters in place. In case you noticed, when you drill the structure in place, we've also left some gap between the letter and the wall beneath. And I'll come to the reason for that in just a minute. But for now, our structure is in place. And we simply take our acrylic laser cut letters and place them on top for this super shiny, premium look and feel. And finally, it's time to switch on those lights. Remember I told you about the gap between the letter and the wall behind? Our LEDs glow super brightly to give off this beautiful black glow which spreads on the wall and makes our signage visible for miles away. Installing an acrylic letter is super simple and it's not very expensive either. For example, this sign behind me, which is roughly 4 feet wide, costs rupees 10,000 plus taxes. So the next time you want to brand a logo on the side of your building or you want to name your building, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.